Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, October 17th, 2021. In this short video, I'm going to go over the 3 different levels that you can join in this new system I've been using. The first level is the starter level. It's also known as the influencer brand marketing level. And it's a one-time $50 fee plus a one-time $25 admin fee. And that's so that they can set up your personalized website, okay? So if you join at the starter level, you can only earn $50 commissions. All right, that means if somebody comes and joins under you at the elite level or the pro level, you will not receive those commissions. They'll go up to the person that you joined under. All right, so you'll only receive $50 commissions, which, like we say, get in where you fit in. If you can only afford to pay the $50 right now, it's a good place to start. All right, and here's what you get with this. You're going to get 30 marketing ads and 20 bonus images. You're going to get the winning mindset formula. You're going to get the art of persuasion and influence. These are videos. You're going to get a 7-day fast action plan, a 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy. You're going to get 30 Facebook groups. All right, so these are groups that they're going to show you where and how to post in. You're going to get the Craigslist marketing strategy, and you're going to get Facebook support group. All right, so this is at the starter level. It's a total of $75. The second level you can join at is the elite level. All right, this is the Internet Automation Secrets. It's $150 one time plus the $25 admin fee for your website. So a total of $175. And with this, you're going to get everything that you got in the starter level. All right, but instead of 30 marketing ads, you're going to get 100 pre-written ads and 40 bonus images. You're going to get 60 Facebook groups instead of 30. And then you're also going to get Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, how to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation, and how to create your 6-figure automated funnel. All right, that's the elite level. It's a total of $175. Now, this is the most highly recommended level. This is our pro level, also known as the 6-figure blueprint. It's a one-time $300 payment and then a $25 admin fee for your website. In this level, you're going to get everything you got in the first 2, except you're going to get 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus images. You're going to get 100 Facebook groups, and you're going to get 30 email follow-up series to close your sales on autopilot. TikTok marketing. You're going to get access to our VIP training live chats. All right, 30 days of email marketing. Automate your social media growth with one powerful strategy. Access to our live trainings, and the extra bonuses, you're going to get the hotel and restaurant discount and vacation voucher. All right, so that's the $300 pro level. You earn commissions on all 3 levels. All right, so it's the best level to join at if you can afford it. Otherwise, join at one of these levels and then just work your way up to the pro level. Now, what I really like about this system, this is good for newbies, pro marketers, it doesn't matter. If you can copy and paste pre-written ads and post images on your social media sites, then you can make this work, all right? The key is showing up every day, all right? That means you have to treat it like a real business. You have to put in the time, and you got to make an effort to give it all that you got, all right? So if you do those things, then there's no reason you can't have success with this. Like I said, it's as easy as copying and pasting pre-written ads. The other thing that I really like is that it's instant commissions. So that means if somebody joins you at the whatever level they join you at, you're going to get that money instantly. You don't have to wait a week or a month to get paid. The Facebook group is great. If you join under me, you'll get my contact information. You can text me, email me, Facebook me, and I'll get back to you usually within an hour. So if this is something that you're interested in learning more about, the link is down in the description box. If you click that, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Email, click I want to make $300 a day. You'll be taken over to the page that has a video where you can watch all about, it goes into detail about the system and how it works, and get all the other information that you need for this, okay? If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. And I look forward to working with you, okay? I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, peace be with you.